Hello there, Hector Deville here. Welcome to this new module where I am going to be explaining price action reading. Now, this entire module actually has come alive as an afterthought. All right, and the reason for that is because I'm not going to be explaining or unveiling any new trading system. All right, instead, I'm going to be covering the basics of price action reading. Now, why do I say this module has come as an afterthought? Well, the thing is that I receive on a daily basis a number of emails from you guys, and some of those emails, well, attach a chart, a trading setup, and I recurrently see the same mistakes being made often over and over and over again, right? Those mistakes are not quite related to whatever specific trading system you may be trading, regardless of whether it's the London Open breakout strategy, the market flow strategy, or any of the other trading systems that I teach myself. Like I say, those recurrent mistakes are not specifically related to the trading system itself, but rather as far as reading the actual price action going on in the chart. Okay, I see that there is a common misunderstanding on how to read and analyze charts, okay? And it's such a crucial skill for any technical analysis trader that I've decided to record yet an extra module just to make sure that those basics are 100% understood. All right, so like I say, in this specific module, don't expect me to talk about taking trades, where to place your entries, where to place your stop loss, etc., etc. We are gonna go, in fact, way before that. Okay, let me rewind back to the basics, and I'm gonna show you how to actually read charts properly. All right. Anyway, before actually drilling down into the specifics of price action reading, let me firstly define it, right? Well, it basically means reading and understanding price behavior. That's the key concept here, price behavior, within the chart context, beyond whatever trading system rules we may be applying in our trading. Okay, again, like I said before, regardless of whether we are trading the London Open breakout system or the 3 SMA trading system or the market flow system, it doesn't matter. Beyond that, beyond the specific system rules we are applying in our trading, there is an inherent price behavior taking place within the chart context. And that's exactly what price action reading is reading between the lines, or in fact reading beyond the trading system itself and fully understanding price behavior within the chart. Okay, now that means that we are going to be using mostly naked charts. Okay, no indicators, no moving averages, no stochastics, no MACDs, no Bollinger Bands, no indicator whatsoever, guys. Just price and structural levels of support and resistance. Now, levels of support and resistance are, let's say, the frame, okay, within which price is to be interpreted. Okay, without any frame, we cannot possibly get any interpretation of any price behavior whatsoever. We need a frame within which to, read whatever is going on in the chart, right? Well, levels of support and resistance are going to be our frame of work in order to read price. Okay. Now, why do we want to become proficient in price action reading? In fact, why any technical trader needs to become proficient in price action reading? Well, because truth to be told, price action reading tells the true story behind market behavior. The thing is that, as I was mentioning before, whenever we are trading one specific trading system, we sometimes get too caught up in the system rules, right? Let's say we are trading a system that relies on moving averages crossovers, which is not something that I trade myself, but anyway, many traders do use moving averages crossovers in order to, well, base their trading decisions, right? Well, the thing is, sometimes we get too caught up within those system rules and we forget we forget what's the true story behind market action. Okay, if we only pay attention to whatever our system is telling us to do, we may forget the bigger picture. All right, and that's what price action reading is about, understanding what's the bigger picture, so within that bigger picture we can take the appropriate trading decisions as per our system. But if we don't get the overall perspective, all right, if we don't truly understand market behavior as a whole, how can we take the right trading decisions, no matter how good and how accurate our trading system is? All right, so before taking those trading decisions, those trading entries and exits as per our specific system, we need to understand what's happening behind the scenes. All right, and that's precisely what price action reading is all about. All right, well, I hope that's understood, but don't worry if it's not, because like I say, I have an entire module dedicated to price action reading. So it's time to sit back and well, let's get on with it. All right, I'll see you in the following video. Bye bye.